Imagine this. It's late at night. Everything is dark. Nobody's talking. It's very quiet. And you see a fast object fly. Today, we'll be talking about, drumroll please, dun, bats. First, I'm going to talk about how their flying abilities make them unique. Second, how they help the environment and our food supply. And third, how they help scientists learn more about health and technology. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. Their wings are shaped like hands with long fingers, which give them amazing control in the air. They can make sharp turns, sudden drops, and even fit through tight spaces that some birds really can't fit through. A study in Royal Society Open Science found that the Mexican free-tailed bird can actually fly over 150 miles per hour, which is the highest speed time a bird has ever been recorded. When you think about how small bats are, that's actually kind of impressive that bats can even fly that fast. Some bats also use echology to see in the dark. They make sounds. They make sounds and listen to the echoes to figure out where they are. This helps them avoid objects, find insects, and fly perfectly even with zero light. According to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, bats eat billions of insects every night. Many of these insects damage crops and carry heavily old diseases that can mess with humans. So with bats eating these insects, it actually saves farmers more than $3 million every year. This means fewer pesticides are used, which actually make that better because, less stuff's going there. So yeah, bats just really help with everything. Basically, that's why they're the best. The National Park Service says bats also pollinate over 300 types of plants. This includes fruits like bananas and mangoes, and even agave plant used to make tequila. I don't drink though, chill. I do not drink. Without bats, many plants would struggle to survive, and some foods would become so much more expensive. Some bats even help spread seeds in forests. When they eat fruit and fly around, they might drop seeds in new places, helping forests grow back after fires and storms. It's crazy. I didn't know that. That's crazy. Bats are the best. I'm telling you, bats are the best. According to researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, bats have extremely strong immune systems. They can carry certain viruses without getting sick like humans do. Scientists study this to learn more about inflammation, diseases, in people. Crazy. Understanding how bats stay healthy may help doctors find new ways to fight illnesses in humans too. Bats also inspire new technology. Their equalization help engineers design better navigation tools, robots, devices for people, and devices for people who are blind. Studying how bats move and communicate lead to real improvement in human technology. I'm telling you. Today I talked about why bats are one of the most interesting and most important animals in the U.S. In the earth, with their amazing flying abilities, how they protect our environment and food supply, and also how they might help scientists do research and learn more about technology. Even though bats are talked bad about, they say they're scary, they're nasty. Bats are actually really useful in the world. They do really good things for us, and that's why I just think bats are really the best. So I think they look cool. They actually help out the earth. They do a bunch of things that are needed for our everyday life. So that's why I think bats are the best animal of all time, and that's my communication. Peace.